in anything, but I am an expert in ignoring people. Me one more bra will come as my main source. Who hear me will come as my main source. Enti and I'm Sunday nanopa and I mean if you as nigga frame your friend will say, hey Kwame, girl, you why and then the debut do attempt as a girl bang. I feel no better church a girl be them say if ya Obia ubodi dia just watch na say. Or no doc odi matama na makoso so that be mean yes sir just a wo bobra. Enti who say me ni obi ti honorable Oslewusu kon doka wa bobra mi bu no me like what I say a achievement ni papa ni anu omku no obi a wetini say akwe your friend that funky so that the Fred will say why or Facebook or say sanka ma medini age no na meti America na medwetwe nkuku mu a what I say inside don't make could dig that the funk said that the Fred said that the BB omuboni di BB papa pe ni bi nanim dori what I say because me like my court so when I was that be on mobra what I say wait ya me bua me can sama me can na do danko akufu ado ase ono na abobra what I say me can sama me can John Mahama me can say what say obi di A+ kokko hwan yesi asabi now the A+ or court or the whole Ghana police the court san iti no menua anope me hye wanu onyam video ya me yi abobra iti na me kan wasem no what I say bobra nka me ka iti ye nu onyam hye kase pa na me di ama no we na asam say say na who problem with me say former president on conceding. There is nothing wrong with disagreeing with each other. A juma na ye no akwai se nyamesom obi de befa Islam no obi de fa Christianity obi kura de fa traditional religion me na kwakuduku no ebosomfo na onsom bronsam osom nyankopon titi kredian po nyankopon true ne bosom no enti no obehu na bosom dan no ba ko no atro do na no nyametumi so because osom nyame true ne bosom no Yesu na onjindi ono so ne de no yenso yenye je Yesu di ye de no obi so je Muhammad prophet Muhammad edi ono so ne de no saa ne ye no obi disagree with MPP mean so person Ghana konkan obi disagree with NDC mean say Ghana konkan intermediate ade na won base count na prempe ye no kra no time o se mujai ye nyina pese Ghana ko nanim enti e wo se yen ye baako Manase Azuri hwanhwan Anas Vim Lady Kwame Frifa Mensa Kevin Taylor base count ye nyina no Achi Palago obi e kan sama e be boa Ghana se ne be ya Ghana be ko nanim ye ti ho Ghana ye se Singapore Anase UAE a se ke ye nyina be ye de enti ye nyina no I will see a kabum. And what can some me I don't agree with you. The issue is that Kevin, I have met so many NDC form penifua on my catcher me say they don't like how you communicate. And you know, uno mudilia also here. And I Kevin send no yeno a pamunko for free party, so many of them. And I'm telling you this. Ye kanfo wa chacha will be a frono near kanfo wa chacha ye be penifo se ye kanfo unu afrono near kanfo wa chacha so wo behwa anytime bia Mike Tyson obebon grofo da ye be wonu ba ko obeto fom no na ye obi ade at least ya bo killer no da ye be hye Barcelona no ye nkofo de Barcelona omunim bo ba ye hye Barca bon se ye nkofo de wonim wi ase wo yen na afi de wo hu ya ye enti nkofo na wadwen se wo ya mom no kra no omokote ntokro mu a no makoka se o na Kevin no se ne oye no bebre o makache bebre enti woni omo di nkomo a ka kire omo se se sa na motie. Apart from that no ye bo tuo Techiman South no Yambo Mahama batuo Yambo Akufo-Addo batuo and I will always say it 2008 ye to aba His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo lusu ye. Ofiri ne dem wo isi gon see for me no share more steps na no. Ohun be pe na se Kwame anye yi o na se Nana ye be ko biem. 2012 Satam na me ne Nana wo isi gon na be si ye be ko biem no. Na ko ye opon kromo ni ho. 2012 ye to aba na say yisi nya abotre ma yisi mbo aba no ma say no mo te Joy FM omo no mo fra aba no ma Mahama 2012 omo no call election na ma Mahama enne ye to aba wi 2016 omo an omo abotai na no omo ne di post no ma on enti menua menka say bia o post but even enipa na wadwen say wo ya ade am omo no omutiri mu no omo afa wo ho plan omo categorize nipa no we enum ye omo di atam no we enum ye omo ebe small ho we enum ye omo e di omo beko demonstration and we enum no omo ebe ma omo contract no and we enum no omo ebe ma omo post no ya categorize nipa no enti bebia wo pe no ho na wo de wo ho be hye wo ton se na obeton wo ho no saa na ye beto me politicians will a mistake, they will use you and they will dump you. And I've experienced it before. Me 2016 ye to about we ye pa me first in talk me ku okruma me no honorable Brian Acheampong e ba ne saying and na me Brian Eko me question ye very simple. Hey, ye di na Nana Addo for 10 years believe in Ghana concert musicians yi nyina di akire ya boa campaign na ama Nana Addo aba power Nana Addo ba power na mo koye jams wo kwawu a afre de mo new set of musicians enti man kasa o mo fa me nko bi o me say na musicians na mo di MPP echi no eye den ti na mo koye jams a mo akati o nyina out mo win election ya mo nya na foforo enti me kan sa pe me ankasa ko mo frem say oh Kwame wo bra be kan ho bi anya hwe ye be ma osika ye betua wo ka bra na me say me call land no me mba be dia ade ma na me yapa me time say nkofo di mochi a afre de do say aben no mo ko jams dia makọ frefre nkofo fofora na mo kro mo supporting Nana Addo enwani I was fighting for the people. Sound to pan start ye pe ena maami efu akoto maami efu akoto maami efi akoto Maslock deputy CEO maami efi akoto offer me MPP communication obi anko bisa me zameboa me kan sama me kan na asem bia me kan bia so no me yo say Nana Hesi Ojiri minya kan o ye mistake me go tape na chero me I am the only person who can die with your secret me ntia me na so me de bewu but what try say wo be ye me mouse a chance no enti no ma me afia koto na frame say MPP communication team akọ meeting no mo ko meeting no na ya na jobe omo say frame be say 7:38 omo ko meeting no communication team no essay Brian Acheampong na so ye den na Brian Acheampong ye say no ye say enti no me attack no ata ni ye jimi o ene ye nyi o be jimi bre na kamu time na politicians using and nkofo using na ne ya adwen na ho no nipa everybody has gone through a phase that time no na me jimi pa tenase me tse san komo no pe na me increase ya no take Brian left right center and check Satana Akufo-Addo yi positions no ayi me na Kelvin tie ne ye ombe pian me kyerɛw and check na nkofo bi so na omo pe minister omo pe ministry bi bo mo nim say Brian betumi nya sa ministry no nti omo pe so ye say Brian omo so be ka kyerɛ me say Charlie unim party for ni nyina meeting omo say go and attack Brian Uradi Yesu me was support from top and then me Brian na attacking us one of the command lawyers and check and Gabi Otredako or sending me a screenshot of Asama Brian Acheampong a posting on Facebook. It will put or sending a screenshot, you know, Asama Kaka when they say, oh, look at what your guy has posted, but ignore. In politics, a trick. Suddenly a trick. If you want me to ignore, you will just pick a phone and call me and say, Kwame, I'm talking on the Brian Eko first will be in this castle. Men. But who person me who at the end when I migra and some of the catcher say ignore a trick. Satan me and him. What I send what you know, but don't mind him. It is just simple trying to tell you that like why are you sending me the evidence? So then I have to increase the fire. Saying in politics, people have their own interest in everything, and so they will push you to attack people, to insult people, to do whatever, at the end of the day, they benefit. You don't. And I have learned the hard way. So I had to wake up one day, go to Brandy Champon, and go and apologize to that. Bro, you know what? This is what has happened. You don't forget TBBR. What I say? And you know, Kevin, and this is funny, baby, they say they don't like how you communicate. I'm telling you, they will use you, you will do all the dirty work, and by the time they will come to power, they will not remember that Kevin Taylor was the one who was attacking this person, and you will turn around and you see that you have made so many enemies. If you don't have the courage to go and apologize to people, you'll be left, you'll become an island. No one will see you because you have attacked too many people. Me, when I attack you, there's a way of bonsam. If I think that I did something wrong, I'll come and apologize. Now, Asama Amakachra, his former president, John Mahama, they said, concede. And I want to tell John Mahama today, I want to tell John Mahama today that anybody who can wake up and go to Electoral Commission to go and demonstrate, anybody who can wake up and go on the street to demonstrate is a die-hard NDC person. Sanipan, we are done better about Sanipan, we are done better about. And as Sanipano, assembly of a catcher will be because when are your leader? Whatever you tell that person, they will listen because you are their leader. The people that you cannot talk to are the floating voters who add that margin that makes you president. And those are the people omumpe basabasa, omumpe demonstration the traffic backroom, omumpe say hey intoko ebesi, some perform omumpe sahadie no. When Nanado was the guy, the best man for Ghana, I am saying, I am that, I am this. Atamils was doing minianum, and he was shaking people's hands. And Nanado needs to say no, Atamils winning election. No. So Nanado had to leave all the giddy behind and start the battle is the Lord's. Asem Papa Mati, oye. John Mahama, you don't need to learn to be like that. And Kevin Taylor, you don't need to push John Mahama to do that. All of you who are Munamoye blogger, Munamoye say, and this is from Penifono, Muamu pushing, Muamu piano, Wenko say, and a Nipanko say, and this is from Penifono. They have categorized you in the list of people now. They will never categorize you amongst the group of people who deserve to do a Japan deal. Yeah, MPP, a rally, a Nanado Koba, Safuma for Bao. Yeah, Japan no CEO, so no, no decline. Yes, you may in Ghana, the whole Ghana, you may know. So you creative position of Safuma for Nenemba. And the politicians, they put you in categories. How you sell yourself is how they will buy you. It's Omadi can't put you in that category of when we are the only they do radio. So they have not put you in the list of your mini election. I'll see Mark Kelvin Banobeya a communication deputy minister for them. They have not put you in that list. They have a certain value that they have placed on you. And so it is very, very important. Apart from that, the ordinary people, the NDC people who come on your page to watch 15,000 people watch, only NDC for. You need the support of the independent and floating voters. You need their support. And those people, they are the ones, they are the kingmakers. And those people, they don't like giddy. And then, you see, Kaneshi market, ashe. And away market, ashe. You see, a coach or two corner driver. And I have a job to her. If John Mahama does not concede defeat, and agree that the election was stolen, but Ghana unkonenim. Yabaya no be bredi ashano. John Mahama, all he needs is a small margin. And anybody who loves this man, anybody who wants this man to come back again, anybody who thinks that John Mahama has a future in politics, will be the first person to call John Mahama and say, John, let us demonstrate against let's call for electoral reforms in Ghana. Obianko Street, Omunko Street, no Munko. What are we calling for? It is not either say election engine farmer John Mahama now say what is the call? I want to join. Why should people go out and demo? For what? Do we want electronic vote? What do we want? Why we should just go and do what? And block traffic. So that what? And man John Mahama who ye he. John Mahama knew here to say you better 300, 400,000 votes pay, and he can deliver one speech that makes him president. It depends on how he conducts himself. But Miriam, you do not have to allow people to use you. You do not have to allow people to push you. And if you love John Mahama, a very simple and straightforward. John Mahama should continue being that star boy. Come out and let people understand and let people love you. Hey, Mama can't say me John Mahama be president in Ghana and Singapore and Dubai. In Ghana, for no one who's about politicians, I put for the election we win. No, on be Ghana to say heaven. No, Ghana for doa near to Obama. Yan doa, forget it. It's what you need. Your door. You need a door. Keke. Ghana for me to am okay. Go on say politicians. We same. You have to let the people have trust in you. Let the people love you. Let the people believe in you, and then they'll vote for you. But and then A plus I can say John Mahama and accept it, it will affect him. Hey, it is not true. If Obi a steady Ghana system, no terrain, no Obi a steady Ghana politics for some time, no. When him say no correct. So many people in this country and peggy. And so, if you compare Ghana to another country and say, oh, okay, Bobby Wine, or a friend saying, Uganda, no, yet the way, and then Kofu, and no more Kuntoka, won't mean yes, I didn't know Ghana, me ma catch Rubia say, I was say, a Ghana penny for no see a Tromunipa, but it has to be peaceful. Obia person we will Kroma. The fact say, what person we know does not make you a coward. The fact that open to does not make you a brave person. Sometimes you has to be a braver. And they say, sometimes to be brave, you have to have the courage to run away. You have to run. A year then, me see any papa 100, one person which you come, and I'm free one, and I'm seeing running, almost chasing moment to me and chimney. Say, I want near Dino. That is bravery. Hey, then, hey, from the second one of John, me be a shot on the war, me and me woo ye. Where Jimmy, you are not brave. Sometimes being able to run away is bravery. Everything that we want to do must come from here, our heads. We must be able, it is not by force that Kwame Nkrumah won independence for this country without firing a single shot. But he was brave, he was more brave than J.B. Danquah and the other people. How did he do it? We can also do it here. So, what's it, baby? That's a one inciting for. That's a politicians know a young with the and no. Hey, Kevin Taylor, you're Casamayo. Wow. Oh, wow. Hey, Kevin Taylor. Quick scared today near Dio, Casamayo. Share. Missing some more can. Omunya win election now from Omon Fat. Meaning, I know me too more for. Yen, Omunya win election we are from Omon Fat. MPP for more win election back. Hey. Omo kasama omo na me yese na me yese no omo chepo sin we omo mu abi o frɛ no onfa. So my people, momma edwuma na ye no yemfa yenni ento fom yemfa Ghana ho don ya ade yenni bi na ya sei bi ansa na ya be start foforo Liberia for kontokwa ne wanhwan for kontokwa ne ade no amfo mo enkosi ba bia o yenni bi. And at the fact say, come here, plus and friend, brother say, young one, young cock, me the be a say, me, Akufuado. But person, me not or no, your boss, person me beating on. I want us to organize the biggest protest in this country. It is, look, in England, climate change demonstration. For months, people were standing outside and they were demonstrating. For months. What is so you? You are near Prapraho, near Co. So it has to be strategic. And for John Mahama to come back, which of course I think that if he has, I think that he shouldn't give up. Maybe I said people give you up. And if John Mahama wants to come back and make an impact, he should present himself as that guy. That guy. Let Ghana girls promote if you look at Kobe winning election. Now who said 6 million votes na M11? Yeah, papa no. Guess no feel say, hey guy no Mahama saw a guy. Papa no, papa. almost 6 million votes. A man at 2 man too. Guess no, almost 2 man heavy. Man, you pen feel. Many pen feel. Me a cassa me near dear. Many a day say me kukuni pow. Many a day say I will never stop what I hope to achieve. Even if I'm threatened with death, I will never stop. And yes, if you are my boy say, Yankoni Yankoshiha, Yankoni Yankokunwe, and Nama catcher mono, John Mahama, Fregana Funina, ye rally cassia, na frobia, na church ideas will let him natural be as a woo near ye real, but hope a Ghana conim, you'll be saying Xiaomu 2024, na a Ghana for and support to her. The Ghana for Travel or dog, no one we need election. 1 year President Kurana. President Kufoso to go on your Ghana President BMO. But people love him. So you have to more bloggers, no more customer more affiliated to John Mahama and all of these people. No, if there is life, there is hope. Let's find a way to go about bringing about electoral reforms. Akufo-Addo, Olusu election petition. No, what he said was that I've lost. I'm not happy. However, I'm happy that elections, how we conduct elections in Ghana will change because of this election petition. And yes, it is very, very important. Say, you know, be supporting your media mind be koneni. Adia ye your Mahama, then Crawford now be near shetai. Oh, shetai to achieve what? It is not even coordinated. Obi any what anybody wants. It's just people out there. Yeah, shetai. Yeah, you see, to do what, to achieve what? Yem for election, yes, son, yem for Akufo and John Mahama. What is the end game? Don't allow politicians to use you. Me, they have used me before. They will never get me to use me again. They will never. Do not, meaning Kelvin, do not allow these people to use, and do not. I will say a we are easy. I will say a we are very, very easy. Facebook and people must go and without justice. Who electoral commission will be? No social media. No. Yeah, electoral commission. Yeah, boom profile. Yeah, two tear gas. More Facebook. How many of you were there? They will not come when you call them. They will not come. They will not come. But they will push you to make enemies. They will push you against your friends. They will push you against people, and then they will sit back. And when positions come, they will share it for themselves. You will not be there. My guy, see, and at this point, people must be careful what they say, how they do things, and how and what they do. People must be very careful. And anybody, I repeat, anybody who loves John Mahama, must be interested in his tomorrow, must be interested in his future, must have interest in his future, and must tell John Mahama that you are a winner. Go and come again. Just so come sheni bi ase John Mahama come say obewu into any yase Wendy na bedu 2024, which I don't think say it's going to happen. If there is life, there is hope. Just say yaka kire John Mahama say your friend saying NDC or stand con omo ade no me omo friends saying flag bearer race no mo kono obelusu enti no feel some person obeko. No. John, as for me, I think that this is the time ye ko burenyam afi we bra ya bre wo wiase ene o man ya yetimi nyame aye adom ye nyina yetinkom December mu ne ye we nyame aye adom ye nyina yetinkom ye bedru December ya ye bedri obian ka asomdwe asem obian ka Ghana nkan kwa asem obian wo voice bia no ka kire yimampeni dada your friend saying John Mahama say John, if there is life, there is hope. Why name who are some to Akufo-Addo Okroma from 2008? No try, no lose, no ko, no ba. Hey, and you never the president. Ayi, omo ano omo nam no ho. Akufo-Addo say ene olusu election and could be seen let my vote count. Ni nyina yesikasam. John Mahama yanko ye demo ye nti ase ni nyina omo bejisika. Edwuma na omo ye no esi obia pese odi John Mahama sika. What you say? Edwuma na omo ye no esi obia hwehwe kwan bi sika de beba. Ebinom bebre kra wa NDC ni mu a they want John Mahama obeye ne hu fi se na be ya ontumi mbabiem. John, if you have a future in Ghana's politics, let it go.